Howdy folks. Today we are going to be installing this air injection block off plate. This is from Weller Racing. They make some nice products. Here's the part, and there's some little caps. We gotta cap some hoses and stuff. This will, we're gonna have to take that out and that hose off, but you can see that this thing's pretty filthy. And I washed it when I got back from Hatfield, but I want to wash it again. So we're gonna get out the pressure washer, fire this thing up. We're gonna use some super clean products on the engine. That seems to lift all the dirt and stuff off, so we're gonna do that and give this thing a hose off, and then we'll install that part. Why don't you follow along? See you in a bit. I'm gonna use super clean. This stuff's really good, biodegradable, so it's not gonna destroy things. You could cut this with water. Hold on, you can dilute this. You can, you know, cut it with water if you want to. I'm gonna use it full strength. All right, let's get stuff set up here. All right, we got the insane clown posse here riding around kicking up dirt. You can see, I mean, that stuff works really good. I just spray it on. I don't have to do anything. The engine's nice and clean now. No more dirty dogs on here. All right, so I'll let this dry and then we'll get it back in the shop and do what we need to do here. Welcome back, my friends, my family of the internets. An excess engine valve cover, so, you know, pretty straightforward on the RMAX 2. You just pop the bed. Looks like we got to take the old one off and remove clamp from air injection solenoid and discard OEM hose and cap. Install supplied WR edition cap with OE hardware torque to 6 foot-pounds. Installed supplied caps to OE solenoid, wiring plug and hose port. All right, so pretty straightforward. They give you a little picture of what it looks like when you're done. I apologize, we got crazy lady cutting the grass here. See how she's doing. Oh yeah. I put her on the low horsepower stuff. She does less damage that way. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the camera set up over there and take stuff apart. Okay, get this on here. Probably could use a might need an extension for that, but all right, I got like a little swivel adapter. They work pretty good. Oops. All right, let's get the Weller Racing product part. Again, watching to make sure we don't chop our head off on that clamp thing. So we'll get these started. There's still enough thread locker on here where I'm not too concerned about these things backing out. All right, so then we're just gonna start these. Not gonna go bonanza fest here because we'll do it by hand, since whatever it said, 6 foot-pounds or 9 foot-pounds, that's not a lot of torque, so. Watch your head.
Now where are the machines gonna go?
We're gonna cap them in a second. So again, we're working with aluminum here, so just snug them up. Don't be gorilla boy again. And I know you want to snap these things off in your valve cover, but that would be a bad day. So just tighten them up. Can you see that clamp here? We got to take this off, and we're gonna put a plug on that, and I think that's it.
And then just squeeze it and pull it off.
Yeah, if you rotate it, you might have a little bit better access.
Oh, there you go.
So now what I'm gonna get, I should have grabbed them while I was there. I'm gonna get I got hose pliers. That's gonna work good.
I'll get them for you.
Cut my head off. So we'll get these around here and just try to work it off, and it comes right off, no big deal.
Weller Racing. Look at those heavy duty clampers.
Choppers.
You're gonna like cut your fingers off with those.
Yep.
Alright, plan B time. Right, Kogi? Right?
Alright, you definitely don't want to lose this now.
Yeah, hopefully that doesn't fall.
Okay, we got that piece on. That's good.
Ooh.
Yeah, that fits really nice.
Oh, wait, let the camera see it.
That's what you need to do. Alright, I don't know if the clamp will get on there or not. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't.
Right. Nope. There we go. Alright, one on that side and then the other on the top.
Yep.
A mixture.
Okay.
Alright.
Chop this one.
There you go.
Alright, that'll do it. Okay, so we got the part installed, but yeah, so I'll take it for a little spin. I'll let it warm up here. We'll see if there's any big differences, but I am planning on getting, whether I send my ECU to Weller to flash or if I do it myself with so DynoJet makes this thing for $400, the Power Vision 3 for the RMAX. I'm probably going to get that. That way I can, fine tune stuff.
RMAX? Nothing else?
Yeah, just for the RMAX. Wow. So I'm going to probably get this thing as well at some point. I'm not running out to buy it just yet.
Say
but
thank you, YouTube.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to get it if it wasn't for my YouTube viewers. So that will take probably 2 years of YouTube money to be able to afford. So, hopefully I can get one at some point. But anyways, so we'll take this thing for a little spin, and then I'm going to report back to you in a second. So I bring you along, but we're just going in the yard. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
So the kid's out there ripping the thing. He's taking mommy for a little booze cruise or whatever. So, yeah, good product. The thing right away that I've noticed is no popping on DXL. So let me see if you can hear. Not going fast enough, I guess. But yeah, even like low throttle inputs, I feel like you'd hear popping a little bit on the deacceleration. So I like that. I like that I don't hear that. I think in conjunction with a tuner, you could probably pick up some more power. I feel like the machine's pretty lean from the factory, so it definitely could benefit from some tuning. So yeah, good product for $30. Getting rid of the damn popping noise is good enough for me, and if it starts up better in the wintertime, that's a plus too. Can't really test that since it's 80 degrees right now, or 75 or something. So, but yeah, good product, easy install. Just, like I said, do what I did. Cut part of the hose, and then you put that one plug they provide you, and then they give you these little zip ties. I would use something a little bit thicker with, more substantial, just to get better clamping force. You could put a hose clamp on, I suppose, if you wanted to, but I don't think you're going to need to do that. So, all right, well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm going to be doing a 6-month review on the RMAX shortly. Maybe we'll talk about that soon. Want to give my thoughts about it. Yamaha also reached out. They want to talk to me for a couple hours as well, so I'm going to give them my thoughts on the machine. Very happy with it. It did wonderful in Hatfield. So, but we'll get to that later, and I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the video. Thanks. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Bye-bye.